Welcome to South Sudan in Focus on the Voice of America. I'm Carol Van Dam in Washington. Here are some of the stories we're covering today, Monday, July 28th, 2014. More deadly fighting in Jonglei State over the weekend, just days before peace talks are set to resume.
We were attacked yesterday in a youth by the rebels of...
South Sudan if conditions do not turn around quickly.
I hope that we will not wait until a famine is declared in South Sudan before the world begins to come to grips with this problem.
We'll have these stories and more coming up on South Sudan in Focus. Days before peace talks are set to resume in Addis Ababa after a break of more than a month, there are reports of fresh fighting in Jonglei State. South Sudan Army spokesperson Colonel Philip Aguirre says rebel forces have again violated the January 23rd cessation of hostilities agreement with a new attack on SPLA positions.